Is your internet acting slow, or are you not sure where the connection problem is? PowerShell includes several commands that can help test your network step by step. In this guide, I'll show you how to check connectivity, test specific devices, and troubleshoot common connection issues. First, open PowerShell from Start Search. You can use a standard PowerShell window for most network tests. Once it's open, we'll start with the simplest connectivity check and work toward more detailed tests. Start with the ping command. Type ping google.com and press enter. PowerShell sends network requests to the destination and reports whether replies are received. If you see replies with response times, your computer can reach that destination. If you see timeouts, there may be a connection or routing problem. Next, you can test your local network. If you know your router's address, such as 192.168.1.1, use ping followed by that address. This checks whether your computer can communicate with the router. If the router responds but an internet address doesn't, that can help narrow down the problem. For a more detailed PowerShell test, use Test-NetConnection. For example, Test-NetConnection google.com checks connectivity and provides additional network information. You can also test a specific TCP port by using port, such as Test-NetConnection google.com port 443. If websites aren't loading by name, DNS could be the issue. Use resolve DNS name google.com to check whether PowerShell can resolve the domain into an IP address. If the lookup succeeds, DNS is responding. If it fails, you may need to investigate your DNS settings or network connection. You can also see the path toward a destination with tracerc google.com. This shows the network hops between your computer and the destination. It can help identify where a connection becomes slow or stops responding. And that's how to test a network connection with PowerShell. Start with ping, use Test-NetConnection for deeper checks, resolve DNS name for DNS, and tracerc when you need to examine the route. So test from simple to advanced, and you'll have a much better idea of where the problem is.